Oh, didn't see you there. My name is Pizza. Welcome to Piece of Pizza. This is my 2003 Subaru Forester. It's my daily driver. It's probably the most reliable vehicle because the other two vehicles we have are Jeeps. Yeah. So she needs a good bit of work, and this series is gonna cover everything I'm gonna do. Give you a quick walk around. Oh, where's the steps? So here she is. Got her from an old coworker. So there's a little bit of rust there. This I need to straighten out a little bit. Small dings here. I mean, it's a 12-year-old car. But she runs, she drives, gets double the gas mileage of the Jeeps. Only concerning issue is you got rust on the quarter panel. More dings and stuff, but I will eventually be painting this black. I need a new windshield, and then I'm gonna get the front windows tinted. Currently has 279,000 miles. Actually, that'll be 280 by the end of next week. 5-speed. Yeah. All right. So we are going to be installing a Android radio that my wife got me for our anniversary, and some Kenwood speakers. So I'm not going to be running an amp with these. I know that running it off the head unit probably won't give me the best results, but this is a daily driver and it's a budget build. If I do find a cheap amp on Amazon or Facebook Marketplace, I'll end up throwing it in. But for now, anything is better than the stock speakers. All right, so just another disclaimer. This isn't really a how-to kind of thing. This is more of me documenting what I'm up to and little things that I'm doing. Yeah, I'm not a professional, YouTube certified, so take it with a grain of salt. I'm just here to have fun and show my parents what I'm up to. So I got the old radio out. Oops. So these are what I ended up having to disconnect. I'm gonna swap this over to here. I mean, the colors sort of match up-ish. Yeah, I don't know. It'll be fine. So I can show you. Love you, so I can show you. Love you, so I can show you. Love you, so I can show you. Okay, so I got everything swapped over to the new radio. Looks pretty good. Grays kind of line up with each other. But yeah, so this whole faceplate just swaps out. And then, yeah, I might end up needing an amp. This thing's kind of tiny. I don't know how much is going to be able to power the speakers. I actually haven't been able to find how much it'll do. I'm going to go ahead and install this. I think I might I don't know if I really want to do the reverse camera. Yeah, maybe I'll just not do that. So I got it installed. Everything works. It is wireless CarPlay. I haven't tested out the USB yet. The mic does work. I tested on a call. But yeah, let's see. So yeah, it works. This little touch is a little annoying. I kind of wish it had actual buttons or a dial, but it'll do. Obviously a radio isn't going to fix the speakers, but I'm about to swap those out next. Nice. Well, that's kind of cool. On the back, it's got like, well, it had a template. I guess it still does. Just a little broken. Like everything. Squanchy. All right, so I'm trying to figure out how to do this. Oh yeah. Just a little comparison of the two. Should be a lot better. We'll see. Oh, shoot. Okay. I need to get some little things for this. Actually, I might have some. Okay. I guess these are the only two that I have. Oh, wait. It says it comes with connectors. Survey says that was a lie. Nothing there. Just kidding. It wasn't lying. I'm an idiot. There it is. Yep. That'll do. Positive. Okay. Big line's positive, small line's negative. All right, let's go install this thing. All right, so we got the back speaker removed. Let me put on these. I don't think I mentioned earlier, but the fronts, well, I guess you could have seen it from the boxes, but rears are 5 1/4, fronts are 5 1/2. Oh yeah, there we go. So I'll do the same thing. Oh, there we go. Yeah, let's get this done. Okay, so it looks like we're gonna be done for today. I guess. Oh, wait, what the heck? Why does it fit now? What did I do? You gotta be kidding me. I literally just did this like 2 seconds ago, and now it wants to fit in there. Okay, I guess I'm not done for the day then. Beep. Oh, beep. All right, I'm gonna finish this up. Oh yeah. All right. Oops. Oh gosh. All right, so that's gonna do it for this install video. I'm pretty happy with the results, and it honestly didn't take too long. I would say it took roughly probably 4 hours ish, maybe 5 hours. I don't know. I ended up finding glass from in the window, or I ended up finding out that pretty much this driver's side window was broken at some point because they left all the glass in the door. So it took me a little bit to remove all that. But yeah, all the speakers went in pretty smoothly. I didn't buy adapter rings or anything. I just drilled it straight into the metal. They sound good for what they are. I know this isn't an expensive sound system with all of the goodies, so I'm pretty happy with it, and it'll definitely make driving this every day a little bit more enjoyable. All right, thanks for watching the video. Tell your parents hi. You love them. Love you, Mom, Dad. Bye.